Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Tarot with Aisha. Hope you all are doing well. I'm a tarot reader, numerologist, and a spiritual healer. If you are new to my channel and haven't yet subscribed to it, do it right away and also press the bell icon so that you are notified whenever I upload a new video. Let's move ahead to our today's reading, which is going to be based on elemental signs, which would be further categorized under zodiac signs. So let's have a look what we have for the upcoming week. This is the reading for week starting 27 September to 3rd of October. It is specifically for fire signs, that is, if your sun sign, zodiac sign is Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius, which means you are a fire sign. So you can go ahead and look at your readings and the guidance for this week. Let's begin with how will be your week for all the fire signs collectively. Starting with how will be your week. So for all the fire signs, I see that your week is going to be really good. You are going to be more focused on what you want. You are going to pay attention and invest your efforts and energy into a lot of creativity and in taking action. You won't be idle. You won't utilize your time in thinking. But for some of you, you might get trapped or you might think a lot in a particular situation wherein you would be very particular and expressive about your emotions, which is a good thing, but at the same time, you need to be very careful what you are expressing to others, because being too much emotional and showcasing your emotional side while in your career or related to financial terms, I see you might land up into certain issues. So pay attention to your emotions that you are showcasing. Also, I see that for the fire signs, somewhere in the midweek, you might find yourself stuck on making a particular decision. You might find that you are not very sure that you should move ahead with this decision or not, and you would literally require a push to take a step. And if you find yourself in any such situation, do not hesitate to reach out to someone who can guide you well in this particular situation of yours. So your focus area basically should be a collaborative effort in this week, wherein I see your collaboration would be more in terms of your career, in terms of your family, in terms of your relationships. I see there would be a good bonding, a good collaborative efforts in everything that you are planning for. And this is also advised for you, for all the fire signs, that you should have a collaborative approach. ये वीक में हो सकता है आपको थोड़ा सा आपके फैमिली के साथ, फ्रेंड के साथ एक मिलजुल कर रहने की ज़रूरत है. इफ़ यू आर गोइंग टू बी टू हार्श ऑन सर्टन थिंग्स, सो दैट माइट नॉट वर्क वेल फॉर यू. And as I said, you are going to be more emotionally expressive this week. So this is going to be more inclined towards your family, specifically the older members of your family. Now what you need to learn from the previous week, here I have the Justice card, which is further clarified by the Empress card. So which means that you need to learn from your past week, from your previous week, that बहुत ज़्यादा एक caring nature किसी की तरफ होना is very good, but you need to also know the boundaries. You need to create a boundary so that you do not give up, you do not give in so much that you have to regret at a later stage. But you also need to be assured that karma counts. So if you are doing your good deeds and you're currently, if you're not getting any results, so you need to set up the boundary and be in your space and wait for the results for the good things that you have already done. So this is what I would say you need to learn in this week. बहुत ज़्यादा extremely don't go out of the box for supporting others and for someone else's growth. Instead, use that energy for yourself and grow by yourself is what I see for all the fire signs over here. So before we move to the guidance, if any one of you require any personalized readings, personalized numerological consultation, tarot readings or healings, you can reach out to me on my Instagram or Facebook pages. Links to these are mentioned in the description below. Guidance that we have for fire signs is step out of your comfort zone and expect some powerful changes. So fire signs, you definitely need to move out of your comfort zone. As I said पहले भी कि आपको थोड़ा एक पुश की ज़रूरत पड़ सकती है in somewhere in the midweek. So pay attention to any such area when you feel that you are too low and you are not taking an action which is required. Make yourself realize and start making a move at that moment, because after you initiate a movement you are going to definitely see some good changes coming towards you. And let's see what guidance we have for you, fire signs, in terms of relationship. It's worth waiting for. Divine timing is at work in your love life, and free yourself. It is time to take back control of your life. So, if you're facing any issues in your relationship in terms of your relations that you share with someone, so यहाँ पे fire signs, I see that you need to wait, you need to give time and space to the other person and to the situation, because chasing that is not nowhere going to get you any such kind of results. But freeing yourself of that stress is definitely going to help you yourself be at peace of mind. And when you are at peace of mind you will definitely attract what you actually need, and definitely trust the divine timing, because universe is currently working in your favor. So that's all for fire signs. Do let me know in the comment section if you could resonate with the readings. Until next time, stay safe, stay indoors.